Was assigned to Morningstar Elementary School for my Tech Club placement. Morningstar is one of the newer schools in the Bozeman area. It is located behind the Museum of the Rockies on Arnold Street. The students I worked with were a variety of ages from kindergarten through 4th and 5th grade. There were regularly between 10 and 15 students my partner and I worked with each week. The after school program at Morningstar was relatively new, however. The students were very bright. The program had a group of 30 plus kids participating in book club, tech club, or other activities provided by the program. Some of the activities my partner and I planned were creating storybooks via an online book creator. Another one that the students enjoyed doing was creating and launching baking soda rockets. Our final activity was to create a social media account for someone from history. Lesson planning was a difficult task for me, not just because I had to come up with creative and fun lessons for the kids to do, but because I had to make it so that all the students could participate. Not all of my students had the same skills as their partners and classmates. Another struggle I had was communication with my site supervisor. There were times when I would create a lesson plan and send it to my supervisor. In the lesson plan, I would outline the materials I needed for that day. My supervisor wouldn't let me know about the supplies available to me until minutes before the lesson. Despite poor communication, I did have many successes. One of my successes was managing student behavior. The students and I got along very well. There was only one instance where student behavior had to be managed by cutting a lesson short. Other than that, I was able to direct student behavior through mimicking games such as counting to 3 and having the students repeat back to me. Another success my partner and I had with our students was brainstorming. For example, our baking soda rockets did not work right away. We had our students brainstorm with us to come up with a better way to launch the rockets. Other times we brainstormed with our students, they showed their smarts by offering insightful answers. As I said previously, the age difference was a struggle to plan lessons. I would suggest that Tech Club have age brackets. Maybe they have a Tech Club for kids in grades 4 and 5, etc. Another suggestion would be that students of EDU 370 be placed according to their major. Tech Club did confirm one thing for me. It confirmed that I am not cut out to be an elementary ed teacher. Not because I do not like the age group, but because my brain is geared more towards middle school and high school age kids. As a history major, I like research projects that require students to be able to read, write, and analyze deeply. Those are skills that elementary schoolers have not yet perfected or developed. My experience at Morningstar Elementary did not change any beliefs I had of teaching. I believe that teaching is a difficult job and can be stressful. I still believe that after my experience. I also believed that over planning for a lesson is a smart thing to do, and I still believe that today.